Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to download an ebook using the Libby app on the Boston Public Library website. First, we need to log in to our Boston Public Library account. So you'll click on Login and go to Login or Register if you haven't registered yet. You're going to put in your Boston Public Library card number and the PIN number that you've already chosen, and then you're going to select Login. Next, you're going to go to Books and More and go down to Stream and Download and hit Select. Then you're going to see the Libby app right here, and you'll select the Libby app. On the Libby app, it will show you a number of different categories: dark and twisty reads, Boston Public Library staff picks, among many others. Once you find a book that looks interesting, or an audiobook, depending on your preference, you hit Borrow. Here, you put in your Boston Public Library card number and your PIN number, and you select the library of your choice. And then it will allow you to borrow the book. You can choose for 7 days or 14 days for audiobooks, or up to 21 days for an ebook. You click Borrow, and then you can listen now in your browser.